Hello and welcome with another video. I'm Professor Dr.Mchem from Dr.Mchem Institute of Chemistry, University of St. Jamshoro. I'm here with my students. I've just explained them the fourth experiment today. It's Monday and the date is 10th October. So my students are now going to prepare the fourth experiment, that is 2,4,6-trinitrophenol, which is, we also call it picric acid. So I just explained them the whole method of preparation and they are now doing it in the lab. I'm standing just behind, you can see behind the organic chemistry lab of BS Part 3 and MSc previous, and it's an 8:30 a.m. lab. So I can show you my students working in the lab. You can see my students, they are here, and the girls and the boys, they are doing it separately. Boys are at that corner and girls are here and they are working in the lab. It's a fourth preparation, organic preparation, which they are doing it. So I'm happy that they have their speed and their pace of completing their scheme is just perfect. Fourth experiment, experiment number 4. So this is the preparation of picric acid. Picric acid, we also call it 2,4,6-trinitrophenol. That means the three positions of this ring are occupied. Right? This position, and this. And then 2, 4, and 6 positions of this ring are occupied with this nitro group. When you are going to react what? You are going to react phenol with sulfuric acid. You are going to get ortho and para phenol sulfonic acid, right? These are the two, you can see in the ring, the ortho product and the para product. And then finally when you react it with the nitrating mixture, the mixture of nitric acid and sulfuric acid, and both you are supposed to take in concentrated form, you are going to get this 2,4,6-trinitrophenol. It has got a reaction mechanism of one single or two step. It's not difficult to that follow. It's very easy, but you need to be very much persistent and you must concentrate on the steps that are written here and that are supposed to be followed accordingly. Do it accordingly. As for example, dissolve 0.5 gram of phenol, right? 0.5 gram phenols in what? In 1 ml of concentrated sulfuric acid in a flat bottom flask. Now I want to ask you, do you know what is a round bottom flask and what is a flat bottom flask? What is the difference? I can show you here. This is a flat bottom flask, flat bottomed flask, and this is a round bottom flask. Now they both have different functions. Why a flat bottom flask is used, why in some reactions round bottom flask is used. Now keep that in your mind that this flat bottom flask, it is flat, its surface is flat, so it can easily fit on the hot plate. Your hot plate, this heating source can be a hot plate, it could be a heating mantle. Now heating mantle is also something like that. It has got a hole in it, right? So that flat bottom flask can easily fit inside this, and equal amount of heat is supplied to this flask when it is inserted inside the heating mantle. Somebody can ask you these questions. What is the difference between a flat bottom flask and a round bottom flask? You should know it. नहीं पता होता है आप लोगों को. Okay, then the flat bottom flask is used mostly it is used for hot plates. This is a hot plate, right? So it has got a flat surface like this, so it can easily, this flat bottom flask can be easily kept on this hot plate, and equal amount of heat is supplied to it from the bottom, right? So this is the main difference between these two. So they are recommending here a flat bottom flask, okay, and warming on water bath for about 30 minutes. Now you have the water bath with you. You have to just warm it, okay, for 30 minutes. They have not mentioned the temperature. Keep that in your mind, it shouldn't be boiling. Water should not boil, okay? It should be just warm it. It should warm your reaction mixture, and that warming would provide, a reaction to progress in the forward direction, right? Okay, cool and add 2 ml of concentrated nitric acid. Now they are going to protonate it with a strong nitric acid. Again, that means strong protonation strongest protonating agent, but again, that means the reaction is not complete till you add the nitric acid with constant shaking to ensure complete mixing, right? You need to ensure complete mixing of your compound by simply adding this nitric acid. Now with this reaction starts and red fumes are involved. Now what happens, your flask will be in your hands and you will see that the red fumes are evolving from the neck of the flask, right? After the reaction has subsided, when the reaction has stopped, subsided means when it has stopped, heat the flask or a water bath for 1 hour or more with frequent shaking. Now you have to keep it on the water bath for about 1 hour, and with frequently you need to shake it. Okay, shake it. Okay. Cool the flask. Now the reaction mixture is, it is warm. So now you're going to cool it and add about 20 ml cold water. That means ठंडा पानी डालें, या you can use ice 20 ml. Place the flask in an ice bath when crystals of picric acid appear. Now picric acid crystals are very beautiful and they are very, they will appear as if you will follow the experiment in the way it is written. And if you follow all the steps, you are going to get beautiful crystals of picric acid. And that picric acid, of course, is your 2,4,6-trihydrophenol. Now you are going to filter it. Again, they are recommending the buchner funnel, which we don't have, so you will do the plain simple filtration, and then you are going to wash it, you are going to grade it between the filter papers, then you are going to take a small piece, portion of it, and you will measure the melting point, and then you will recrystallize. You will recrystallize with the alcohol to get your yellow crystals of picric acid. It's after recrystallization, the melting point should reach about 122 degrees. And then calculate the percentage. Is there anything you can ask? This is your experiment. And this way you are going to get a product called 2,4,6-trihydrophenol by reacting phenol with what? With sulfuric acid initially, and then again you are going to provide a strong protonating acid, that is nitric acid, and with shaking you are going to get your product. And then you will heat it again on the water bath for about 1 hour, and then you will cool it and get the beautiful crystals of picric acid. Keep the fume away from you. Do the mixing in the fume hood because it's toxic and the fumes are quite irritating. So keep them in. Got it? If you have anything to ask, you can ask right now. Okay, then start because already you're very late. Thank you. So I can show you my students. I'm moving towards my students and they are here, and this is a group of girls that are performing the experiment. They are now reacting the reaction mixture on the water bath, and they need to lower the temperature, maintain the temperature at the lower levels because of the consequences they do not need to bear after that if they'll not follow the instructions. And they are going to prepare picric acid. So this is it. A whole bunch of girls are here and the boys are over here. I can show you that they are also measuring, and they are also doing it in a group, a small group. These are the boys who are doing it. What is this bottle?
No, phenol.
Phenol, okay. This is phenol, and I think it's a new bottle. That's good. At least now you have a new bottle of phenol. Please do the mixing in the fume hood, okay? Go and do the mixing in the fume hood.